How to change language on BYDFi application. Are you guys basically choose to change the language on BYDFi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open BYDFi application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, now look at the top right corner where you can see the setting icon. Again, click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options like language, currency, and theme mode. You are looking to change the language, right? Click on it. You can see multiple options for your languages. Just select the one equal to your preference. Once you select the language, your app will be restarted to change the language. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to change language on BYDFi application. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.